A Supreme Court judge walking into court to find out his fate. Justice Gregory Geason was charged last year with 1 count of assault and 1 count of emotional abuse or intimidation. He pleaded not guilty to both and faced a hearing in July. Allegations he grabbed a woman, struck her chest and pushed her, causing extensive bruising and a concussion, today found proven. Victorian Deputy Chief Magistrate Susan Wakeling dismissed Justice Geason's explanation, saying, "I consider his account to be contrived and implausible." The charge of emotional abuse related to incidents between April and November last year and included tracking the woman's movements using technology, verbal abuse and pressuring her to sign a contract. The verdict, guilty, with Magistrate Wakeling saying, "I am satisfied beyond reasonable doubt that these events form a pattern of conduct, coercive of the complainant's will and controlling." So what happens now? Justice Geason hasn't resigned, and the only way he can be removed is through historical British legislation, and it doesn't look like the government plans to use that mechanism yet. Instead, there's a bill before Parliament to create a new process to handle complaints about judges and sack them if required.
Our expectation is that legislation will be debated over the course of the next 24 hours. Only Parliament can remove a judge.
It's very important to understand that members of Parliament do not cross over into making decisions about the judiciary. We don't personally have opinions about the judiciary for the very good reason that that is the Westminster Convention to have separation of powers.
The state opposition not as shy in giving an opinion, calling for Justice Geason to resign.
Let's get this judge, this disgraced judge, out of our judicial system as quickly as possible.
In the meantime, Justice Geason continues to be paid his annual salary of $500,000. Georgie Burgess, ABC News.